Milestone C and VTEEA are partnering for the 2024 conference, and we are bringing professional development sessions to educators, and with our fundamental goal is to bring everybody's knowledge up on all the new age technologies. So we're touching on robotics, drones, AI, and software as our 4 focus topics. Every participant will go through 15 minutes on each topic. We thought it was fundamentally important that everybody sees a little bit of every topic. And then each participant will have an opportunity to deep dive into one of those topics. During the deep dive, we will cover basic definitions, what's going on in that topic, that area, establish what it is. Then we'll talk about what industry is up to now and where they're going in the future. We'll also then look at, of course, how to bring this into the classroom and some strategies on how to engage students with this technology.